biggest bottleneck in developing new medicines is finding enough patients to test them on. Only a small slice of cancer patients ever enroll in clinical trials, and most of those people are treated at big academic hospitals. So, if you get care in a community clinic where most of cancer is diagnosed, or in a small town center, chances are no one ever mentions participating in a clinical trial. That slows everything down and skews the data away from the people who actually need these drugs. Hi, I'm Ryan Flynn, the AI correspondent for Biotech TV. And today, a company called Paradigm Health announced two moves aimed right at that problem. The startup raised $78 million in new funding and is buying the clinical research business from Flatiron Health, the Roche owned oncology data company. Now, together, they're creating the largest oncology research network in the US, linking more than 2,100 cancer care locations in 45 states and putting together roughly 70% of the American cancer patients within reach of a trial site. Now, most community hospitals don't have teams of coordinators to sift through charts, check eligibility, and manage trial paperwork. So studies say clustered at academic centers where they have that kind of staff and resources. Paradigm Health built an AI enabled platform that plugs into health systems and automates a lot of that grunt work. It matches patients to studies, checks which sites can realistically run a trial, and keeps drug developers updated. The company says it has helped that hospitals enroll patients across 4 times faster while easing the burden on already stretched staff. The Flatiron deal adds something Paradigm couldn't build on its own, a mature research network that already spans more than 25 academic centers and nearly 100 community oncology practices, all running on a shared electronic health record system. Paradigm plans to weave its tools directly into that system so trials can open at the clinics where patients are already getting chemo instead of asking the patients to travel hours to a university hospital. Paradigm's already running phase 1 through phase 3 oncology trials for 15 of the top 20 global pharma companies, and it says it's now moving into neuroscience, cardiovascular disease, and other areas where recruitment is just as painful. If it works, this model could make clinical trials feel less like a rare opportunity at a distant center and more like a routine operation in an exam room. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow Biotech TV for more news like this.